Hi mga garden, so this is Hardinerang Nanay once again. Welcome to our home garden. Welcome to our channel. So kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-like, comment, and subscribe and click the notification bell for more home gardening tips and vlogs from Hardinerang Nanay. So for today mga garden, we are going to transplant our string of turtles. Alright, so let's start. Our string of turtles are not succulents. They are peperomia. Yes, mga kahardin, peperomia siya. Hindi siya succulents. And then the blue colors that you see there is the fungicide or the pesticide the farmers are using. I think this is the turugi fungicide, something like that. So we are going to propagate this one. Actually, it has a lot. So we can see it has a lot. Oh, by the way, these string of turtles are not succulents, but the care tips are, the same with the succulents. Okay, let's start. Here are the soil mix that we are going to use. Actually, you can use only two soil mix. We have that coco peat and the pumice, or if you have perlite, it can be, or lava rock. Okay, you can use actually 2 parts of coco peat and then 1 part of perlite or pumice. But then we can use also other soil mix. We have here, what's this? Carbonized rice hull. We have the almost compost leaves. This one is very familiar here in Benguet. We are using this one. The leaves in the forest floor. I can show you one. This one, na-harvest namin ito sa forest floor last month of May. Yeah, month of May we harvested this one. Pumunta kami sa bundok and then nag-harvest. And then of course, it will be not good if you get the pure pine needles like that. This one have no pine needles because the forest that we went to, hindi siya pine pine forest. Okay, this one. So this one we are going to wait for it to be composted more. Pero actually, if you do like this, so pwede na to. Okay, so this is very nutritious for the plants. This is also good for your begonias and other plants. Okay, kung wala kayo nito, especially sa lowlands, actually pwede yung tibig leaves under the tibig tree. Nako, napaka-healthy niyan. We call that tibig here in the Igorot land the alumit tree. Okay, you can use that one. The soil under the alumit tree and the leaves there is very fertile. Balik tayo dito. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng almost composted leaves nga. Kung wala nga, is pwede yung carbonized rice hull. I recommend na gumamit lang kayo ng carbonized rice hull. Mas beneficial kasi siya. And then also, ito, we have the black soil. Okay, so we are going to use today here 1 part of pumice, 1 part of rice hull, carbonized. We have 1 part of coco peat, and then we have 1 part of black soil and 1 part of alnos tree composted leaves. Okay, kung wala kayong alnos tree composted leaves, pwede naman ito. Okay, pwede naman yan, 4 na yan. Okay, so let's start. Actually, you can also add some cow manure composted. And then also, we have the vermicast something. Yung vermicast compost, pwede yun na gamitin. Okay. Teka, kukuha ko ng composted cow manure because that is the only manure na composted na available. So we have here yung cow manure na composted. Alright. So that's it. Pwede na tayong mag-mix-mix and simulan na natin ang ating pagtatanim. So mga kahardin, ang aim lang natin actually is to make the soil very light. Okay? Kasi si string of pearls, nako, ayaw sa soggy soil. So, pag hindi maayos yung soil natin, nako, very prone to stem rot. Okay? So, titingnan natin yung soil ni seller. Okay? See? Meron siyang hindi ko alam kung ano itong sinunog niya na nilagay dito. Maybe carbonized rice hull or some burnt na leaves. Okay. So, ano siya mas marami siyang ganun. Okay. So, actually, pwede rin naman natin gamitin ito. Okay? Pwede rin naman natin i-reuse ito. And then, for me, lalagyan ko siya ng pumice. Okay? Wala namang masama dito sa ginamit ni seller or farmer na soil mix niya. Okay? So, ituloy natin. Alright. Si string of turtles kasi, ayaw niya ng masyadong soggy soil, sabi ko nga kanina. So, anong gagawin natin? Ang technique natin dyan is magdadagdag tayo ng pumice. Kala ko noon, ang pumice ay para sa succulents lang. Hindi pala. So, I have started using it with my begonias. Ganon. So, it's good naman. Kasi, maiiwasan natin yung stem rot. And then, pagiging soggy soil ng soil natin. Alright. Para mas dumami pa yung propagations natin. Okay. Magtatanim na tayo. When it comes sa paso na gagamitin natin, parang succulents din ito. Pero hindi siya succulents Parang succulents din ito na gusto lang talaga niya is shallow containers. Not too deep naman kasi yun nga prone siya sa stem rot. Okay. So tayo na ang mag-adjust, diba? Kung gusto natin na magkaroon ng healthy na string of turtles. Pwede naman yung mas malaki ng konti dito. Parang, parang ganito. Okay? Pwede na ito, actually. Okay? And then, pwede rin yung ginamit ni seller, ganyan. Okay? Daanin natin sa soil. Okay? And then, may technique yan sa pagdidilig para hindi natin siya ma-overwater and para hindi maging, mabubulok or mamatay yung ating mga string of turtles. Okay? So, sisimulan na natin. For me kasi, dito ko i-propagate muna. Lumaki muna dito yung mga maliliit na puputulin natin mamaya na string of turtles para dito muna siya mag-adjust, lumaki. Kasi pag diretso kasi na itatanim natin sa mas malaki, baka mas malaki yung soil niya, mas maraming soil niya kaysa doon sa roots na maliliit. So, tendency noon is malulunod siya, 'di ba? So, eto lang muna. Pero, technique ni hardinerang nanay yon. Okay. So, eto na nga, magta-transplant na tayo pero tatanggalin muna natin ito sa soil. So, titignan natin kung asan dito yung pwede natin i-propagate. So, ito may mga mahahaba ng mga parte. Okay, maganda ito as a hanging plant. Okay, pero ako, my aim is to propagate. So, for example, ganyan, pag nakalaylay ng ganyan sa paso, ibabalik ko ngayon yan. Parang itong ginawa ni seller dito. So, balik mo kaagad yan yung mga nakalaylay na mga strings dyan para dito magkakaroon siya ng ugat. Oh, something like this. Okay? So, there we go. So, yan. Isa. O, ilan kaya ang mapropagate natin? Diba? So, ito pala. Ano siya? Oh, mahaba siya. Binabalik lang talaga sa paso yung mga lumalaylay para mas maraming propagations. See? Oh, so, see, look at this. Very healthy yung ano niya, soil niya. Okay? So, pwede naman natin itong gamitin ulit. 'Di ba? Pero sabi ko nga kanina, kung ako, dadagdagan ko siya ng cow manure, dadagdagan ko siya ng pumice, mga ganun. So, mas maraming pumice, syempre. Okay? So, sisimulan na natin. So, ito, since may mga roots naman sa stems niya, so pwede naman natin putulin. Okay? So, parang ito. So, isa. Okay. Yan. Isa na yun. And then, this one. Paano kaya ito? Yan, isa. Kala ko. And then, we have here, 3, 4. Madali lang to kasi may mga roots na sa stems niya. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, sakto, 10. Diba? Naman yung care tips, hardinerang nanay. So, yung care tips natin, when it comes to watering, you water your string of turtles every 2 weeks to 3 weeks. Huwag magsipag na magdilig ng mga to. It also works with other peperomias. Remember that string of turtles are not succulents, they are peperomias. So, it applies also to peperomias, yung wag mo silang masyadong i-overwater. Okay, 'di ba? Medyo similar din sila sa succulents na wag mo masyadong sipaging magdilig, 'di ba? So, and then also the light conditions na prefer ng ating mga string of turtles ay filtered bright light. Okay? Filtered bright light is different from low light. Low light conditions, ayaw nila yon. Yung sobrang low light conditions. Okay? When you are making your string of pearls na indoor, make sure na bright light pa rin, pero filtered. Near the windowsill, ganun. Pero hindi masyadong malapit masyado sa window. Okay? For example, yung ginagawa mong indoor, yung mga succulents mo, dito yung window, dito yung succulents, dito yung string of turtles natin. Okay? So, ang dapat natin tandaan yung mga fertilizers na pwede natin gamitin, Osmocote, Nutricote, mga slow release fertilizers, Vermicast, mga ganon. So this is Hardinerang Nanay once again. Thank you for watching Asian TV Baguio, our home, our garden. We believe that all plants grow with love. Tiinog, kabasan mo, God bless us all.